Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. In this video, I am going to share a very amazing wallpaper trick of iPhone. After applying this trick, your iPhone looks really cool, so let's start the video. First, you have to open Safari browser, and here search street lamp in the fog, and then tap on Images section. Now you have to save any photo which you like. I am saving this first one to my gallery. After that, you have to turn off your phone and turn it on again. Now tap and hold on the screen and then slide to the left side. Now tap on plus icon, then click on Photos, and from here select the photo you recently saved. After that, adjust the picture according to wallpaper size. Now your work is done. Whenever you open your phone, your display looks like this, and it's look really awesome and pleasing. So, by this way you can easily set this cool wallpaper to your iPhone. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, 99 Reviews, and I will see you in the next one.